Let's preserve some lemons today. Fermenting lemons, commonly known as making preserved lemons, is a traditional lacto-fermentation process that uses salt and the lemon's own juices to create a savory, tangy condiment. This method transforms the rind from rigid and bitter into soft, mellow, and intensely flavorful ingredients. Any lemon will work, but Meyer lemons are the best due to their thinner, less bitter rind. And Meyer lemons are exactly what I have here today. It is February and we have Meyer lemons growing in the greenhouse. We have 2 lemon trees and they make the best lemons. They are on the small side of what we normally produce in the summer, but these will still do great. Let's go over what you will need to preserve them. First, you will need the washed lemons, obviously, and then you will need salt, a glass quart jar, something to smash the lemons down with, a fermenting lid, the glass jar ring, a fermentation weight, and later on you will need the actual glass jar lid. You should never consume iodized salt. I always stick with Redmond's real salt. I use it for any ferments I do, canning, to toss in my reverse osmosis water, and to season all of my foods. It is more expensive, however, the minerals you consume with Redmond's are minerals our bodies very much needs. If you don't have Redmond's, use any other type of kosher salt. For 1 quart jar, you will need 2 teaspoons of salt. I am using a wide mouth glass jar, and I do recommend using a wide mouth. It will make getting the lemons in and out much easier. This wooden smasher comes in very handy. If you don't have one, I recommend you getting one. I use it a lot for other ferments like making sauerkraut. The type of fermenting lid doesn't matter. I love these silicone lids, but I only have regular mouth fermenting lids like this one, so I'm going to use the type of fermenting lid that's like this. It's actually a bit more precise. Either one will work just fine. Whichever fermenting lid that you have, you will need the ring to hold it on. If you don't have a fermenting lid, don't worry. You can use the regular lid to seal it. The only extra step you will need to do is burp it. You will need to burp it at least once a day to release any built-up gases. Burping simply means opening the jar for a second or 2 and putting the lid back on. It generally takes 3 to 4 weeks at room temperature to ferment. Just sit it on the countertop out of direct sunlight and let it do its thing. After those 3 to 4 weeks, you will have a salty, bright, citrus yet complex flavor. The body benefits from fermentation because it creates probiotic-rich, gut-friendly food. Let's go through the steps of getting the lemons into the jar. You can fit quite a few lemons into 1 quart jar. I'm going to do all of these minus 1. I plan to give one of them away. First, make sure the lemons are washed. Next, you should cut the lemons almost in half. What I mean by almost is cut halfway through them, but not all the way. Then cut it into 4s, but don't go all the way through, so that it opens up like this. Don't worry if you do go all the way through, it will not hurt the ferment. This style of cutting is just to get lots of the lemons into the jar and for the overall look. Then you need to take the Redmond's real salt and sprinkle it all over the interior part of the lemon. When that is done, you put it in the bottom of the jar and open it up so that the next lemon will fit down inside the first lemon. Once you get up so far, use your smasher to push down. This not only helps create space in the jar, but it helps pull the lemon juice out, which is needed in the process. The lemons must be fully submerged in their own juice. If necessary, add extra fresh lemon juice to submerge them completely. If it begins growing a white scum on the top, don't worry. This is not mold. just scrape it off. This scum is called chyme yeast and it is normal. If you don't see it, it's also fine. Place a fermentation weight on top to keep the lemons below the lemon juice salt brine. Put the lid on and wait 3 to 4 weeks. After the 3 to 4 weeks, move the jar to the refrigerator. The cold will stop the fermentation process. The lemons can last in the refrigerator for 6 to 12 months. Now, you might be wondering how you use these lemons. You can use the actual lemon juice in drinks or lemon desserts, and you can also use the rind. You may want to rinse the rinds before using, depending on your preference for salt taste. But you can use the rinds in cooking, such as in stews, roasted fish, or chicken dishes. Other ways you can use them is by adding to pasta, making a lemony compounded butter, or in salad dressings to give it a unique, bright flavor. Have you preserved lemons before? What are your favorite lemon uses? Let me know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.